All right. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have an Aliexpress haul and I'm really excited about this. So remember in my previous one, I had mentioned that I had another one coming. Well, here it is. Let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, so this I'm really excited about. So these are 4D gels. So I don't do acrylic, I just do gel. So most gel like goes flat, and then these guys are supposed to be 4D, so they will be essentially quote unquote 3D designs. I happen to have a brush here. Okay, can I get any product out? So it's kind of like a paste. And then you cure it like normal gel. Okay. I don't know what the consistency is supposed to be. This is again from Aliexpress, so I didn't have too high of expectations, but I may be pleasantly surprised. So I'll have to do a tutorial with these. Essentially, I'm gonna follow all their acrylic ones and just do it. Holy crap, this black one is not wanting to open it up. There we go. Okay, same thing. So I definitely recommend using a spatula when trying to get those out. So actually, I do have this right here. So I'm just going to get this out and put it under my lamp and see how it goes while we're filming, and then you'll know. All right, here is the next guy. Oh, that wasn't the 30-second one, because I think these were 30 seconds. So if people always wonder like how to open packages, especially when you order a lot of paper stuff. So find your opening and just do that. And then you don't have to worry about cutting into your package. Because look, I mean, it's literally right at the edge there. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I forgot about this guy. So I ordered a whole bunch of water decals, and look at how pretty these are. They were a lot of Christmas, and then I just got off Christmas and I was like, I just want everything. Uh-oh. Okay, that's okay. It's all right. The galaxy, because duh. And then these little watercolor owls I thought were the cutest. Some more kind of galaxy-ish. More can you tell I was in a mood. And then these are kind of like winter glass in my opinion. So that's what I got from there. Okay. This side. Just slide it in, pull it up. So easy to do. Oh, these ones I'm really excited. So I already thought for Valentine's Day I'm going to do like a romantic skull, but not romantic. Like, I don't know. I didn't know what I exactly wanted to do, so I got like a couple different ones. But these are probably my favorite. I already got this. I bought 2 of them. Don't judge me. And then how cool are these? I thought these were so stinking cool. And then these kind of like a seductress, badass chick. And then this, I'm really excited for. I'm excited to see how it works. Oh, is this not what I think? Oh, it is. Okay, this is black chrome powder, which would have been perfect for Halloween, but you know, I didn't get there. So I'm excited to try that. Now let's see our gel. Oh yeah. Whoop, already lost it. All right, crisis averted, I found it. So that's hard. Well, not that hard, I just squished it. But it's probably because I pushed down. I think it's supposed to be used thin, and I just made it too thick. Yeah. All right, so I'll definitely be playing with that because it's still not cured in the middle. So I definitely think you're supposed to use it pretty thin. All right, so that is everything I got. Super excited. We'll see how this works, and I'm probably gonna have to do a good tutorial, and I'll probably have to do a lot of testing on my nails because I definitely want it to work before I start wearing it, but we'll see. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.